Welcome guys to Chujiajiao Ancient Town. This is an ancient town here in Shanghai, established in Ming Dynasty, pero meron silang roots dating back over 1,700 years. There are 36 ancient bridges. Ganda din pala dito guys, with the sun. Maraming buildings dito yung sinauna pa, ancient. Ni hao guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler, at nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai, China. First time natin dito and ngayon nasa park tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung culture dito every morning daw. Saturday morning at may mga sumasayaw-sayaw. Oh. Just an ordinary Saturday morning here in Shanghai. So nasa isang park tayo. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Yew Garden. So this will be a jam-packed day for us. Ang goal ko talaga today ay mapuntahan yung Tanyag. Tanyag! High school ko pa ata yung last na narinig. Tanyag. Tanyag. Sa mga, di ba? Sa mga classes. Tanyag. Bantog. Ganon. Gucheng Park palang tawag dito. Gucheng Park. Magpupunta tayo sa isang water town. Yun yung highlight for me of the day. Kasi yun yung talagang ginol ko. But at the same time, magpupunta tayo sa isang old town dito sa Shanghai. And then, the Yew Garden, the famous Yew Garden. Para convenient, binook ko na sa Klook. Itong trip natin, mix siya ng Klook bookings, mix siya ng tours, tapos DIY. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung Klook code naman natin na Dave Gino Klook, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Ito na tayo, papasok sa Yew Garden. So today guys, we'll explore the heart of Shanghai's culture and history. Nakapasok na tayo dito sa Yew Garden or Yuyuan. Ito, ginkgo tree na, my gosh, 400 years old plus na. Over 400 years old. Lakad tayo guys. This is, sabi ng tour guide natin, over 500 years old na garden.
Also want to know, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this carving?
Ang ganda dito guys. So this was built during the Ming Dynasty by a government official. So yung pangalan ng government official ay si Pan Yunduan. Tapos retirement gift para sa tatay niya. Ito oh. Ganda. Maganda dito guys kasi may mga QR code na pwede nating i-scan for information. Ito may mga lion dito. Female ito kasi may baby. Ito yung may details. So, baby. And then, yung male ay may ball. Tapos, nakanganga. So, itong dalawang iron lion na to guys, 800 years old na yan. So, built in 1200s. So, mas matanda pa sila versus this actual garden. So, tinanong ko yung tour guide, bakit may mga lion dito? May actual dito guys, writing. Tapos, nandyan pa yung date. So, from the 1500s ito. Ito yung main hall or yung lobby before. So, yung mga ilaw dyan, mga original yan guys from Ming Dynasty. So, yung Ming Dynasty, yun yung second to the last dynasty ng China. So, ito yung lobby, may mirror dyan. So, in-explain tour guide natin. Siyempre, kapag may bisita, diba, they would also want to check how they look. Tapos, ito may tables dito na maliit for the tea. Yun yung tradition for those who are waiting. May entrance fee pala dito, guys. Di ko sure kung magkano. 20,000 square meters pala yung garden na to, guys. 20. We can see here a painting of the whole garden. Ano ba yan? Yung reflection, not giving. So, hindi nyo ma-appreciate. Ito yung binook natin, guys. Okay, so may water town, may old town, tapos this garden. So, full day tour siya. Yung meet up natin kanina, 8:30 sa isang hotel. So, yung garden, tapos ito yung old town, yung pangalawa. Hindi ko nababasahin. Tapos yung water town, pangatlo, and then the bond for the finale. Until 4:30. Tama, 4:30 tayo dito sa tour na ito. So, for 2,807 pesos. Okay din naman naka-tour kasi mas detailed yung information na nakukuha natin. Diba? Mas na-appreciate natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Ayan, ito daw yung best area for photo. Dito magandang mag-photoshoot. And then yan yung pavilion, guys. Yan yung tallest building sa Shanghai before. 400 years ago. Cool. Naglalakad lang tayo, guys. Tapos sabi ng tour guide natin, turn around. And then, pak, surprise, may dragon. Pwede na sa akin yan, si Kuya. Charing, yung may hawak na camera. Char. And apparently, walang stairs dito. So, yung ginagamit nila ay para sa pag-akyat sa second floor ay rocks. Tapos, yung mga rocks dito ay yung ano niya, yung itsura niya mukhang clouds. Para they're like as if they're walking on clouds when climbing. And then ito sa gitna, this is an ancient stage, an imperial stage, charing. Kasi syempre, for entertainment, may mga performers dyan. Uso na yung opera before. Na-mention ko na ba, basta itong, kung nasan tayo ngayon, itong Yew Garden, this was a private area. This was a private property in the Ming Dynasty. Hello. Sa mga taga-Maynila. Salamat. Sa mga taga-Laguna. Taga-Laguna. May nakita tayong Pinoy. Super rare. First time ko makita ng Pinoy today. And first time ko makakausap ng Pinoy in this Shanghai tour. This stone sa gitna is perhaps the most famous stone in Shanghai. And this is the most valuable treasure of Yew Garden. And nasa 1,000 plus years old na. Nasa gitna na tayo ng Yew Garden, guys. It's Yew Linglong or Exquisite Jade Stone. Gusto ko dito kasi may mga description, guys. Yung mga spots. Yung mga water daw, yung water, guys, means money as well. More money in Chinese. Now, guys, this is a big stage na ginagamit nila for celebration. Meditation room. For your information, may mga toilet pala dito, guys. Okay? Tingnan nyo naman, guys, yung details ng bubong. Cool. Mga tourism guards. That's it for Yew Garden, guys. Paglabas, guys, ng garden, eto na. Market na. Daming souvenirs.
The Chenghuang Market.
Alright. Yew Garden Market. Okay? Tourist prices. Pag sinabing tourist prices, medyo mahal. Tapos ngayon binibitbit tayo ng tour guide natin sa isang nice place. I mean, cheaper place to buy food. Ang ganda naman dito, guys. Oh. Aesthetic. Wild.
Horse here, so they made a lot of whole lights.
Year of the Horse ngayon, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo. Mga kabayo. Ganda dito.
Paola, no te pierdes.
The local temple, guys. Dasalan. And this is their god. Zoom ko lang. Yan. Bili tayo ng pork mooncake na lang dito. Ayan yung parang buns. So, Alipay yung payment. I think may iba namang forms of payment dito. Pero very prominent yung Alipay. Gamit na gamit natin. Ayun na nga, guys. Part ng tour. Aside from tea tasting, is of course bentahan. Charing. Pero wala namang pilitan. To be fair, sinabi naman dito na walang pilitan. Pero ayun, gusto ko din yung experience kasi parang na-introduce din tayo sa iba't ibang teas dito sa China. Nakalibre pa tayo tea tasting. Yung mga kasama ko sila bumibili. As a Kuripo traveler, pass, charing. Kung bibili ako ng tea, di ako mahilig sa tea eh. Sa chismis lang, charing. Sa itinerary sa club, actually wala ito, guys. Feeling ko ano siya, sideline ng tour guide natin. Feeling ko lang naman. Wala siya sa wala siya sa itinerary. Recap tayo ng itinerary, guys. So yung dinaanan natin kanina na very super nice yung structures, architecture, it was the Chenghuang Miao Town, okay? Shanghai's old cities Chengwang Commercial District. Yun lang din siguro yung critic ko dito. Sana more time doon sa may Old Street, yung commercial district kung nasaan tayo kanina. Kasi ang ganda. So this one, I can remove this in the itinerary. So pwede naman kayo mag-DIY guys on your own. Pwede yung punta yung U Garden ng kayo lang. Tapos yung district ng kayo lang. So up to you. Ang habol ko talaga dito ay yung Water Town. Yung parang Venice of China. May mga shops naman nag-accept ng cards, okay? So you can just ask. Punta na tayo guys sa Water Town. Goodbye. See you Water Town in a while. So mga 1 hour away from here. After 1 hour and mga 10 minutes, we're here. Zhujiaozhou Ancient Town. Ito na guys. Nakanap ako ng very light. Tapos gumising ako. Kailangan ko mag-edit. Sorry. Kasi ang dami kong backlog if hindi. Kasi pagbalik sa Pilipinas, trabaho ulit tayo. Yung totoong trabaho ko guys. As a corporate employee. Beautiful! Wow! Mag-lunch muna tayo guys, okay? Wow! Ang ganda. Ayoko siyang sabihing Venice of China or Asia. Kasi it has its own identity. But ang hilig pala natin sa ganun. Switzerland of Asia, Switzerland of the Philippines, when it has its own identity. For comparison, siguro, lalo na yung mga foreign tourists na hindi naman kilala yung destinations talaga. May comparison. Ang ganda. May mga bangka din eh. Ay, salamat. Dito na tayo. Hello. Wow. Oops, sorry. Kasama na sa binayaran natin yung lunch, guys. Okay? Sobrang busog. Ang daming options kanina ng food. First time nating makain doon. It's a very charming old town. Different from the very modern and futuristic Shanghai with lots of skyscrapers. Ayan, oh, may mga bangka. Tapos parang mga wooden. Definitely wooden. Definitely wooden. And rattan yung yung bubong, oh. Super interesting town. Lakas historical drama ng China. Ganon. Now we're entering a garden, guys. KG Garden. Ito ang name niya. This is the reception hall. 1912 pa pala na-establish itong garden na ito. So ito yung reception hall where they welcome their guests. This is the boudoir for the female family members. Ano yung boudoir? Talagang traveling back in time tayo. Ang owner nito guys ay isang businessman na nag-business ng salt. And then, limutan ko yung isa. Pero businessman siya. Boudoir, women's, at yun yung women's private room. May image ni Confucius, Confucius, diba? Nakikilala natin siya sa history lessons. So, he's a philosopher, teacher. Tapos yung mga principles niya, yung naging main guiding principles ng China. Ganda ng area na to, Super relaxing. Maglakad-lakad dito, guys. Magmuni-muni about Confucianism. Talino yarn. May pavilion dito, guys. So, nilagay yan as a stage, right, for the opera. Ganda. Now we're in a pavilion, guys. Baka naboboard na kayo, Pasensya na. Pero super relaxing lang talaga nitong pinaggawa natin. Koi fish?
Yes.
Koi fish. Ang ganda, guys. So this is Chujiajiao Ancient Town, and this is an ancient town here in Shanghai, established in Ming Dynasty, pero meron silang roots dating back over 1,700 years. Chujiajiao. Welcome guys to Chujiajiao Ancient Town. Outskirts lang talaga siya, kaya more than 1 hour yung biyahe. There are 36 ancient bridges guys, tapos thousands of buildings na nandito pa rin. Ako lang pala yung Asian sa group. So, taga-US, tapos mga taga-Europe yung kasama natin ngayon. So, sabi ng tour guide ko, natetempt siyang mag-Mandarin. Pag may nakikita siyang Asian, may nagpo-photoshoot din, no, in traditional Chinese dress. Lakad tayo. Daming shops here. Ay, ito. Rental shop ng traditional dress ng China. Sabi ng tour guide natin, kung gusto kong sumakay, go. Pero di recommended pag mag-isa lang kasi for sure mahal. Pero kung marami tayo, go. Pero parang di bet naman kasama kong sumakay. Sightseeing na lang tayo dito. Of course, Tanghulu. Ganda. Say lang maglakad-lakad dito, guys. Hello po, well, from the US and working in Korea. There are women in traditional Chinese dress. So, nakatayo tayo ngayon sa isang bridge and sabi ng tour guide namin, ito daw yung magandang spot for photos, which is nice. May paparating na boat. Ganda. Napakaganda dito sa taas, guys. It's giving. Siguro mas maganda dito at night, no, with the lanterns. Pero okay din ngayon. Like habang tirik ang araw, na-appreciate talaga natin yung view. May tinda din dito ng mga burloloys, jewelry. Ito mga plushies, mga labubu. Ganda. Wow. Beautiful. My gosh. Nawala na ako sa kanila. Sana mahanap ko sila. Kaka-picture ko to. Pero babalik lang din naman tayo eh. Feeling ko nandito sila. I lost them. I found you. Wow.
Just now, I just thinking about you. Wow, you come.
Of course. I also thought about you.
Oh, thank you.
So it's a tie. Wow, that's pretty.
The landmark of this water.
Ah, okay. What?
The 5 caves bridge. Fangsheng Bridge.
5-gate bridge?
5 cave.
Five
caves.
five-
Cave.
Cave.
Yes.
5 arch. 5 gate bridge.
It's a Fangsheng
Ah.
The name of this landmark. Of this
So this is the landmark of the water town.
Okay.
Beautiful. Maganda yung view dito, guys. So ang tawag pala sa bridge na yan ay Fangsheng Bridge. Okay? So sinasabi din that's the number 1. It's also called the number 1 bridge in Shanghai. It's the largest, the tallest, longest stone na 5-arch na bridge in Shanghai region. Tapos na-build yan noong 1571. Share ko lang, okay? 1571. Setting fish free din, yung tawag dyan. Setting fish free. Kasi nung na-build yan, sinet free yung mga fish and turtles sa river as a Buddhist act of mercy. May na-meet pa tayong Pilipina pero sa Canada nakatira. Nagpa-picture siya sa akin. I mean, nag-request siya na picturean ko siya. Okay naman tayo sa mga ganyan. Super glad to help. Hanapin ulit natin ang ating mga kasama. So nagkakawalaan na talaga kami dito, guys. Free time na rin naman. Ay, ayan, nakita ko yung isa. May mga free taste ata dito. Pero may almond. Teka natin ito. Ayan. Rob. Dito naman tayo, guys. Maraming pa-free taste doon sa baba. Wow! Feeling ko magnificent yung view dito. Nice naman. Nice. Ayun yung sun. Pero mas gusto ko yung view talaga yung mga sulok-sulok. Ay, alam niyo yung may mga bridge kanina kung nasaan tayo at first. Ito, malawak. Ganda din pala dito, guys. With the sun. Wow. And imagine, maraming buildings dito yung sinauna pa, ancient. We're walking on at a historic bridge here in Shanghai. Daming small alleys na may mga free taste. This reminds me of Jufen in Taiwan. Jufen Old Town. Ito yung other side, guys. Daming snacks na paninda. Ito, lalaki ng mangga dito, oh. Then may mga restaurants din where you can eat. We'll always find ourselves back to each other.
Okay.
May mga tindahan ng souvenirs dito. Ayan, mga ref magnet. Dami kayong pwede mabili dito, guys. Mga pagkain, tea, drinks, kung ano-ano pa. It's a super bustling na old town. Ang dami ng tao, guys. Ito meron pa ditong street. Bumili yung tour guide natin ng pastry, rice cake. Sarap. Tapos ang ganda ng view dito, oh. Nice. Iba yung atake dito. Wow. Ang ganda. Sobrang scenic. Sobrang scenic and very picturesque kahit saan ka lumingon dito sa ancient old town. Ancient na old town pa. Ancient water town. Lumabas na tayo sa scenic na area. And nakita tayo ditong structure na parang simbahan. It's closed church. Tapos nakalagay talaga dito, non-scenic area. Golden hour na. And ito yung best time to take photos. Kasi ang ganda ng ilaw. Rich yung colors. So yan. That's it for the ancient water town. It's a completely different vibe from the city center. So kung gusto niyo naman maiba from the very modern ultra mega city of Shanghai, then this old town is something that you might want to consider visiting. And may dito pala, train station. So yung Zhujiaojiao ancient town, guys, ayan siya. Malayo-layo siya kung i-car 1 hour and 24 minutes papunta sa accommodation natin. So nasa may East Nanjing Road tayo. May city center ito, okay? Kung mag-train tayo, lalong mas mahaba, 1 hour and 46 minutes. Pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung options ninyo, okay? May different options naman kayo. So it's either magbubook na lang kayo online or magano kayo public transportation. We're back in our turf. This is East Nanjing Road again. Nandito yung natin, accommodation. More than 1 hour talaga yung biyahe, guys. Tapos gusto ko actually yung U Garden pala, yung outside free yun kung okay lang sa'yo hindi pumasok inside. Tapos maganda din Maganda din yung tiningnan ko din sa internet. Maganda din sa area na yun at night. As in, yung kanina, yung nadaanan nating Old Town na ang ganda ng structure after natin sa U Garden. So parang gusto kong mapuntahan yun. Ang daming tao dito guys sa East Nanjing Road. Wild. Di na pala natin need magpunta sa The Bond guys. Sa first vlog ko dito second vlog dito sa Shanghai, pinakita ko na rin naman yung itsura ng The Bond. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa pinuntahan natin kanina, yung malapit sa U Garden kasi ang ganda daw ng aesthetic doon at night. Nakita ko din yung photos and videos online. So tara, are you guys in for an adventure again? Well, ilalagay ko siya sa isa pang vlog kasi nasa 30 minutes na. Ang haba na ng vlog na to guys, okay? So, ilagay ko siya sa separate vlog. Night in Shanghai. Charing. Doon guys, papunta ng The Bond, okay? Doon. Grabe, mas malamig ngayon kesa nung first night natin at mas maraming tao kasi Saturday. Babalikan natin yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Yung feeling ko super ikli ng time, di hamak daw na mas maganda dun sa gabi versus sa umaga. Yung labas sa The Lights. I'm not sure kung kailan ko ma-upload ang vlog na to. Hopefully March. So, salamat guys sa panonood sa buong trip natin. Sulit naman siya for me kasi convenient. May facts pa tayong nalaman, detailed facts about the places that we went to that made me appreciate, lagi ko itong sinasabi, that made me appreciate the spots or places even more. Kasi alam natin yung konteksto, alam natin yung meaning, nabibigyan ng meaning yung mga bagay na nakikita natin. And yun guys, kaya din naman siya DIY. Maganda din, may nag-comment sa Facebook post natin na maganda din daw dun sa gabi sa ancient water town. So it's just that medyo matagal lang yung biyahe, yung commute. Pero kung willing naman kayong i-take on yung commute, then go. So hapon daw sila hanggang gabi nandun para makita nila how vibrant it is at night. May iba't ibang options naman kayo. Hindi ko naman kayo pinipilit na magbuksak look. So, itong vlogs natin, sineshare ko lang talaga yung experiences natin, okay? So, kung magbubuk kayo, nasa inyo din naman. You can search then what's best for you or kung ano yung prefer ninyo. At least may idea kayo sa pinagagawa din natin dito, nabigyan kayo ng option. So, this is Dave guys, the Kuripot Traveler, here from Nanjing Road. One of the most beautiful streets and the longest shopping street in the world. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong old town ng Shanghai. Wild! Look! Grabe yung lights. So, this is the old town na over 600 years old na. And this is a living museum kasi tingnan nyo naman yung structures dito. Very ancient. Ang ganda. Illuminated siya at night. Ay, pak. Ay. Uy, may paano pa. Atake, may pa show. Light show. Wow. Oh my gosh. Grabe. So this is the soul of the city, guys. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng iba ng vibe from the Nanjing Road, dito na. Kasi 'di ba nung first night natin, nasa modern and European vibe tayo na Nanjing Road. And ngayon meron tayong pinuntahan na Old Shanghai City. Ganda. Ay, grabe. Girl. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda. Tumigil ang lahat. So this feels like a living museum. Oh, look. Super good decision na nagpunta tayo dito ngayon. At hindi lang tayo nagstay sa Nanjing Road. Wait lang. Ang ganda. Ang lala. Ayun. Grabe, no? Wild. Ganda. Ganda dito, guys. Super nice. I love Shanghai. Kung hanap niyo yung city lights talaga na very vibrant, buhay na buhay, Shanghai is the key.